Back to the channel. So in the last video, finished off doing undersealing all underneath the car. In this video, I'm going to be restoring all the suspension pieces, and I'll show you them now. So we're taking all the rust off and then painting them the same way I painted the chassis. So going to be doing the tank, trailing arms, suspension pieces, so coils, and these arms. So I'm going to just jet wash them all, get all the dirt and whatnot off it, and then I can just bring them in and then start sanding them down a bit, get all the flaky rust bits off, and probably take these, strip these completely, and clean everything up so they look pretty new. Also have to swap out the bushings. I've already got a set of new ones ready to go in. Also I have to fix this nut stuck in here. When I was taking off, I didn't realise it wasn't actually coming off. I thought it was spinning, but it was just pulling this, so I gotta loosen that all up. So what I'm gonna do, just gonna clean them all up right now, and then bring them all inside ready to get rid of all the rust. So while I'm waiting for these to dry, I'm just gonna disassemble them all. So take these arms off, try and take the bushing out. Don't have a tool for it, so I'll try and figure a way out to do that, and take the hub off. Yeah, just gonna go disassemble them now. No. So I just finished disassembling everything. I've done this one and I've got that one finished as well. So what I'm going to do now is start prepping it. So what I'm going to do is get this, put this on the grinder, start whittling down all the rust, get rid of all the flaky bits. So I just got finished sanding down all the pieces. So that's been sanded down, and all these pieces have been sanded down as well. So this here is one that hasn't been grinded. It's a lot better. It's got no flake bits on, which is perfect. Here's all done. Just left with no flakes or anything. I've used duct tape because I have no masking tape or anything. So what I'm going to do now, convert the rust to the paintable thing. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using the NEWWW rust converter again, like I did on the last video. Here it is. I'm just going to put it in a bowl and just start coating it all, and then I'll just got to leave it 24 hours, and then I'll be able to come back and paint it with the black enamel paint I've got down there. Shall see. Coated with all the rust converter, so just gotta leave it now for probably I'll leave it come back tomorrow, so 24 hours, and it should be all dried up and then change to a black paint, and then I can just carry on with coating. I've left it all for 24 hours. It's looking really nice now, no rust. Just converted it all to a nice primer finish. You can see, looking good. So what I'm going to do now is just coat it with chassis paint. So this is just the same stuff I put on underneath of that. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I've only done this one side, so you can get a nice before and after, and then you'll be able to see the difference. Just let the stuff dry up, and here's a little before it's just been washed, and here's the finished So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same with that stuff. Finished up now. Assembled them all. Can't put them on the car yet because still got these two. Still got this to the tank and the suspension pieces to paint. Okay, so these are all finished up, ready to go on the back, but I can't put them on yet because I've got a few other parts to prep first. So I've got the coils, straps for the tanks to clean up, and the handbrake cables. Also got the tank outside, but that video will probably be too long if I do it in this one, so I'm just going to end it out here. So in the next video I'll be finish up painting the tank, coils and all some other little bits, and then I'll be able to start assembling all I'll be able to put it all back onto the Civic, and that should be the rear done. So yeah, thanks for watching.